emphasize the critical role of operation strategy in the success of business within the tourism and hospitality sectors. Operation strategy aligns an organization, resource, and process with its all business objectives, ensuring that customer expectations are met while maintaining efficiency and profitability. In the tourism and hospitality industry, where customer satisfaction and experience and paramount, the chapter highlights how strategies such as service design, capacity management, and quality control are essential. The importance of quality management and control in ensuring customer satisfaction and forecasting loyalty within the tourism and hospitality industry. Given the service-oriented nature of this sector, maintaining high-quality standard is not just desirable but essential for success. This chapter reinforces that quality is not just about meeting standards but exceeding them to create memorable and meaningful experience. This chapter discusses budgeting as a crucial financial tool in the tourism and hospitality industry. It highlights it highlights different types of budgeting, forecasting, and flexibility. Budgeting aligns the optional strategy, enhancing customer satisfaction and revenue generation. The chapter also emphasizes the role technology in modern budgeting process. Focus on the concept of productivity and its vital role in the tourism and hospitality industry. Productivity defined as the efficient use to resource to achieve desired outputs. It's a critical factor for maintaining competitiveness and profitability in this service-driven sector. The importance of efficiency and effectiveness in the tourism and hospitality industry. Efficiency involves optimizing resource use to minimize waste and reduce costs while effectiveness focus on achieving desired outcome like customer satisfaction and loyalty. Balancing these elements is crucial for successful business. By integrating both concepts into decision making, business can deliver value to customers while maintaining sustainability profitability. Discuss the importance of supply chain operation in the hospitality and tourism. It highlights the need for collaboration with supply distributor and service provider. As strategy does just like in time, inventory management and sustainable sourcing. The chapter also highlights the growing focus on sustainability and the importance of an efficient and responsive supply chain for customer satisfaction. Discuss the significant sales performance monitor. Discuss the significant sales performance monitoring and labor cost competition in the tourism and hospitality industry. It highlights the role of this element in ensuring profitability and operational efficiency. Sales performance monitoring provides into revenue generation, market trends, and customer behavior, while labor cost computation balance workforce ex- expenses while service quality.